Hi friends, in this short video we are going to discuss about the huge selling pressure which we have been observing in the Indian stock market for a while, and what could be the possible causes and what as a retail investor we should do. So you can see that Nifty has substantially corrected even today also. It's, I think, consecutively the second day where there is a correction in the Nifty. So all the major constitutes are Nifty are being corrected right now. Substantially they are being corrected. So there are some reasons for that. If you look at the Chinese market were more lucrative when there was the Indian market, which was already overvalued. So these things were bound to happen. So FIIs, what they are doing, that they are selling the stocks, and they have done a huge selling for some while, and they are investing in China market, which is looking more lucrative at this point of time. The second thing, not only the market was overvalued, but the Nifty constituents were overvalued, especially the consumer staples sector, the PSU banks, the other PSU stocks, even the reality sectors, defense sectors, they all were overvalued. So this was actually bound to happen. So that is what happening. The third thing is that not only the market is overvalued, but the commentary of the management, the results are being announced from different companies, and the management commentary is not so overwhelming, pertaining to the growth of their perspective, their sectors and their companies. So they are not looking very promising at this point of time. So that is why the market is being corrected. So there are some few, there are the FII selling, there are the China market that is more lucrative at this point of time. Similarly, the management commentaries of various huge giants, blue chip companies, the Titan, Nestle, all these are being corrected, and the commentary is not looking promising. Then there is a geopolitical tension. The problem is there with between Iran and Israel. So that is also unsure that what's going to happen in that point of time. So as an investor, what we can do, so we should not afraid with this. For the first thing that comes, that is it a good time to invest a lump sum amount? Even if you want to do lump sum, I can't say that it's a good time, because we have no idea that when until when the market is going to correct. If it has completed, it has made its base already, or it further goes down, we can't predict that. So if you want to do lump sum, you can certainly do in Nifty, because Nifty is substantially corrected. It was 26,000, crossed 26,000 in 20 on 27th or 28th September, and it has been corrected by 6% almost. So if you want to do lump sum, you can do one incremental lump sum in the Nifty 50 ETF or even in the Nifty 50 mutual fund. That can be done, but the same thing can't be said about the mid cap mutual funds and also with the small cap mutual funds, because they are still overvalued. Their P ratio are still high. Do your mutual fund, don't stop your mutual funds SIP. Do it continuously. Now at this point of time, what looks like that there is all the market condition is indicating a slowdown in the business of different sectors, especially the consumer staple sectors, the Titan, Nestle, Bajaj Motors, Tata Motors, all are showing kind of slowdown. So don't get afraid and do your SIPs continue.